Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Miss Fortner, an art teacher from Texas. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hello there! Welcome, artists of all ages. This is Miss Fortner from Benfer Elementary. Today we're going to be making these adorable koala bears. So I got my inspiration for this koala bear from this adorable picture. Isn't he so cute? I love him. So today when you're making this, there will be two steps. You're going to make your background, which are the leaves that are around the koala bear. And then you're also going to be drawing and coloring in your koala bear. So there are two different steps that you will see when you're putting this together. When I teach this to my class, we learn about the koala bear, where he's from, what he eats, and is the koala bear really a bear? I wonder. I hope that you enjoy making this today. To make your koala bear today, the materials that you are going to need are
oil pastels, soft pastels, watercolors, glue, black Sharpie, pencil, scissors, paintbrush, blue construction paper, 2 sheets of white paper, and green construction paper. The first thing that I did is I colored over my paper, just using different lines and shapes. I am only using cool colors. Cool colors are green, blues, and a few purples. Do you like napping? So do our koala friends. Did you know that koalas sleep 18 hours a day in eucalyptus trees found in Australia? When you are finished with your background, you're going to set it out to let it dry for a little while, and you're going to get started on your koala bear. When you're drawing your koala bear, make sure that you're drawing very lightly. You're going to start with a U shape at the bottom, and then you're going to draw a curve at the top. You're going to draw 2 quartered size eyes and an upside down U for the nose. You're going to connect that with a smile and 2 little curved lines at the bottom for that little white tuft of hair at the bottom on their chin. Then you're going to draw 2 ovals for their nostrils, some shoulders, and then 2 curves in the middle for that tuft of hair in their chest. You're going to draw 2 big circles on either side of their head. Those are going to be there for their ears. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to color in only the eyes and the nose with black Sharpie. Did you know that koala is an Aboriginal term for no drink? It's because koalas spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, and they get all their moisture from those leaves, so they don't have to eat anything else. The next thing that you're going to do is grab your gray and pink soft pastel. Those are the ones like chalk. You're going to color around the koala's head. Make sure that you're not coloring over the eyes or the nose. You're going to color very lightly and not color all the way. I just did a few little scribbles around the inside because what you do is you take your finger, like you can see here, and you blend it in. This gives the koala bear a nice soft texture and it looks like his fur. You're going to do the same thing with the bottom on his shoulders. Make sure you're leaving that space in the middle white. That's where his white fur is. And then you're going to do the same around the edge of his ears. And you're going to smooth in just the outside part. Now, for the inside part of the ears and the nostrils, you're going to use your pink. And make sure that you use it very lightly. Use a different finger to blend in your pink. You don't want to get gray inside there. The next thing that you're going to do is cut your koala bear out. Don't forget to not cut his ears off. When you're done cutting your koala bear off, you're going to center him in your paper. Don't glue him down just yet. The next thing that you're going to do is draw footballs on green pieces of paper. Those are going to look like eucalyptus leaves. You're also going to do this on your watercolor paper. You're going to turn your watercolor paper on the back side, draw your footballs on there, and then cut them out. Did you know that eucalyptus leaves are tough and poisonous? Thankfully, koala bears have an organ called a cecum that allows the koala bears to break down those leaves and those poisons in their digestive system unharmed. After you're done cutting your eucalyptus leaves, you're going to place them on your page around the edge of your blue page. I haven't glued anything down yet because I'm still trying to decide where I want my eucalyptus leaves to go. Once I've got it, I'm going to go ahead and take each leaf off, and I'm going to glue around the edges of those leaves. It's all right if it doesn't stay exactly the way you had it. I did move mine around a little bit after I got them placed. When you're done, you can glue around your koala bear. I left 2 leaves out to glue them on top of him so it looks like he's hiding in the trees. And then you can add a little bit of soft pastel around the edges to give it that furry look. Did you know that koala bears are not really bears? They are a type of mammal called marsupials. That means that they have a pouch that holds their newborn baby. Go ahead and color in with black Sharpie to make those eyes and nose pop a little bit more. They might have gotten some soft pastel on them, made them a little on the dirty side. And then you want to go ahead and get your white oil pastel, and you're going to give your koala eyes some shine and his nose a shine. And there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today in making our adorable koala bear. I also hope that you learned some fun facts about koala bears. Thanks for joining me.